everyone and welcome to my channel Car Info Update. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most impressive cars on the market today, the BMW M8 2023. BMW M8 2023 parked in front of a modern building. M8 is a high-performance luxury coupe that combines stunning looks with exhilarating performance. It's available in two body styles, a coupe and a convertible. Exterior of the M8 is aggressive and stylish, with a large kidney grille, sculpted lines, and muscular haunches. It's also available in a variety of striking paint colors, including skyscraper gray, Brooklyn gray, Isle of Man green, Tanzanite blue 2, and frozen pure gray. BMW M8 2023 Interior of the M8 is just as luxurious as the exterior. It's made with high-quality materials like leather and carbon fiber, and it's packed with features like a panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled seats, and a premium sound system. The M8 also has a large infotainment system that's easy to use and includes features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Engine and performance. BMW M8 2023 engine. Under the hood, the M8 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 engine that produces 617 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine can propel the M8 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The M8 is also equipped with an all-wheel drive system that helps to put all of that power to the ground. The system can also be switched to rear-wheel drive mode for more playful handling. M8 is not only fast, but it's also very agile. It handles like a dream on winding roads, and it's sure to put a smile on your face every time you drive it. If you're looking for a high-performance luxury coupe that's sure to turn heads, the BMW M8 2023 is a great option. Thanks for watching.